All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. I'm here with Benjamin Fleming from Woolpower. They're out of Sweden, and he's gonna show us this. It's merino wool technology out of Sweden. So what are we looking at here?
All right, so Woolpower is based out of Sweden. We started in '72. Our signature technology is a terry loop technology found on the underside of all of our garments. This is actually 100% wool, which no other wool company will do on the interior. So what it does is it traps the heat in all of the pockets. It wicks the moisture from the skin and actually creates heat in extreme situations. So on the outside of the garment, you'll see that there are a little bit of synthetics. It's a little bit flatter. It's wear resistant, so there's a lot less tear and wear. There's minimal seams along the shoulders. As you can see around the waist, it's a tubular knit, so we really try to reduce the amount of seams just so there's less wear and tear.
There's like a tube inside.
There is basically a big tubular knit right there. In the hands, you'll see we have thumb holes, protection for the hands, and you can't see too well, but it dips down in the back, so there is an extra added element to the protection of the elements.
And you have a name for this terry material in Swedish. It's an Ullfrate?
Ullfrate is the Swedish name for terry loop. That was the original name of the company, and now we are Woolpower.
Okay.
And then as you'll see up top, this is a Beanie Light. That is a flat knit, a little bit different than the terry loop.
It's the same knit as the underwear there.
Correct. So these are our long johns. It's a 200 weight. It's got the elastane band at the top, and then the merino wool on the bottom. It's a flat knit, a little bit more athletic fit for aerobic activities.
Right, you guys do t-shirts out of this and all that?
We do t-shirts. It's a head-to-toe garment system. We do socks, balaclavas, mittens, everything.
Very cool. And this stuff is actually now made in the United States?
No, everything is made in Sweden, in Östersund, Sweden.
Okay.
And our U.S. distributorship is in South Carolina.
Very cool. And this stuff is, I mean, it's in production and...
Everything is in production. We have a housing facility in the United States, so everything is capability made.
Very cool. And what would something like this MSRP for?
MSRP for this is around $210.
Okay.
And then one more key function that we do that is kind of neat. In all of our garments, this is a test garment, so we might not have it, but it looks like we do. The seamstress actually stitches her name into the back of the neck, as there's only one seamstress that touches each of the garments.
Very interesting. And you guys have FR fabric as
We do,
well, right?
yes. This is actually the FR. We do have a non-FR light line, but the FR line has the merino wool. It has Beltron for flame-resistant abilities, and then it has lensing, as it's also arc-rated.
Right, lensing FR.
Yes.
Against like electric arcs and things like that.
Absolutely. So a very big industrial government product.
Very cool. Woolpower at SOFIC 2016, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.